Skincare is of utmost importance because our skin works as a barrier to avoid pollution and bacteria. It is essential to know some skincare hacks so you can prevent your skin from acne, pimples, and wrinkles and make your skin healthy. But not all men and women can afford expensive skincare products. Therefore, in this video, I will tell you some DIY hacks and tricks to make your skin healthy and moisturize. So boys and girls, let's get going. Underarm marks. You may use wax or hair removal cream to make your underarms clean. But there is a possibility that they will leave marks and extremely short hair behind. To solve this problem, use this hack. Get clean and clear underarms. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a bowl. Add fresh juice of half orange. Mix it well and apply it to your underarms. Let it wait for some time. Remove the cream and see the surprising results. Stretch marks. If your body has stretch marks anywhere, you can use the oil to remove them. Take coconut oil in a bowl and add fresh aloe vera gel to it. Stir it well. Use this oil and rub it on the stretch marks. Make sure you use this oil daily for better and fast results. Pimple paste. Every person wants to get up fresh and happy in the morning. No one wants to see a pimple after waking up. But do not worry at all about this. Take a cotton bud and regular toothpaste you use. Apply the paste to the cotton bud and rub it on your pimple. Wait for 2 minutes and then wash it off. Repeat the process if required. Your skin will be pimple-free. Tired eyes. Take a cucumber and shred it properly. Take 1 banana and mash it in a bowl. Add in the shredded cucumber. Stir the mixture well. Put this mixture into the ice tray and let it rest in the freezer until the mixture freezes. Every morning, take a cube and rub it on your eyes. Wash your face and feel amazing for the whole day. After wax. If you feel any rash and irritation after a wax, then this hack is for you. Take a black tea bag in a cup and add water to it. Add vinegar to the cup. After a few minutes, take out the tea bag and rub it on your skin where you feel rash and irritation. Face masks. Now, you can make natural peel-off masks at home. They will clean your face and natural products will help to provide glow and freshness to your face. Number 1. Brown peel-off mask. Take honey in a bowl. Add cinnamon powder to it. Mix it well. Apply the mask to your face. Let it rest for some time till it gets dry. Peel it off, and if you find any difficulty, use cotton pads to remove the mask. Rinse your face with cold water. Number 2. Egg white mask. If you have prominent spots on your face, this mask will help you to get rid of them. Separate egg whites from the yolks in a bowl. Apply the raw egg whites to your face. Let the mask dry. Peel off the mask, and if you find difficulty, use tissue paper or cotton pads to remove it. Rinse your face with water and that is it. Number 3. Mint mask. In a bowl, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add gelatin powder and mix it. Heat water in a pan and add mint leaves to it. Add in the dry mask mix. Stir it well until it becomes a thick paste. Do not apply it to your face when it is heated up. Let it come to room temperature. Apply the mask to your face. Give it some time to dry up. Peel the mask off and get the results. Number 4. Milky mask. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of milk. Add in 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. Mix the ingredients and put them in the microwave for a few seconds. Take the applying brush and apply this mask to your face. Let it dry. Once it is dry, peel it off and get a fresh face. Skin reborn. In winter, many people feel irritation when their skin starts to peel off. There is a tip that can help you to remove your skin easily. Take salicylic acid and spread it on a cotton pad. Clean your skin with this cotton pad. All your dead skin will remove, and you will get smooth and beautiful skin. Remove your blackheads. Blackheads never look good on the skin. Even makeup cannot hide them. There is only one solution. Remove your blackheads. Let's see the hacks that can help you to remove blackheads. Number 1. Muddy charcoal mask. In a bowl, take PVA glue. Take the activated charcoal capsules and put charcoal in them. Mix it well. Put this mask on your nose and wait till it dries. Peel off the mask and surprise. All the blackheads will go. Number 2. Liquid charcoal mask. Take activated charcoal and put it in a bowl. Add gelatin powder and hot water to the bowl. Mix it till it converts into liquid. Take a brush and apply the mask to your blackhead pores. Let it dry for some time. Peel off the mask and see the magic. Black armpits. You need toned and beautiful arms to wear in a sleeveless dress. But what about the armpits? They should be clean and white too. So, let's see what we can do here. Take a bowl and add sea salt to it. Add baking soda and pour water into the bowl. In the end, add white vinegar. Mix all the ingredients. Apply the cream to your armpits. Let it rest for some time. Clean it using a new towel. Repeat the process for better results. Refreshing face soap. The antibacterial soaps are not good for your face. Your face has more sensitive skin than your complete body. You need something different and natural for your face. Well, you can make face soaps with customized beauty ingredients and molds. Number 1. With rose petals. Heat a bowl and add coconut oil to it. Wait till the oil melts. Add beeswax in it and heat till it melts too. Add shea butter and stir the mixture well. Pour a few drops of essential rose oil into it. Stir again and set aside. Put rose petals in the mold. Pour out the mixture into the mold. Freeze it and take the soap out from the mold. Use the soap and refresh your soul. Number 2. With white chocolate. Heat a bowl and add coconut oil to it. Wait till the oil melts. Add beeswax in it and heat till it melts too. Now, you have to add white chocolate to it. Let them cook till every ingredient melts and mixes. Pour out this mixture into molds and sprinkle the cocoa powder from the top. Put them in the freezer and wait till they get hard. Take out the soap and use it. Number 3. With honey and orange. Heat a bowl and add coconut oil to it. Wait till the oil melts. Add beeswax in it and heat till it melts too. Now, add in honey and essential orange oil. Heat and stir until everything melts. Pour out the mixture into the mold. Add the small orange peels from the top. Freeze it till it gets hard. Use it and feel fresh. Beautiful smile. Your smile gives the message of self-confidence to other people. So, make sure, when you meet someone, you follow the following hacks to make your smile brighter and more beautiful. Number 1. Soda paste. In a bowl, add baking soda. Add in your regular toothpaste and mix. Now, take a small piece of foil paper and apply the paste to it. Put the foil in your mouth, wrapping up your teeth. Put on for some time, and then rinse your mouth. Number 2. Lemon paste. Take a bowl. Add lemon juice to the bowl. Also, add soda to the bowl and mix it well. Put this paste on your toothbrush and clean your teeth. Make sure you use this paste regularly to see clear results. Number 3. Black paste. Take the activated charcoal to a bowl. Crush it into the form of powder. Add in a few drops of water and mix. Apply this paste to your toothbrush and clean your teeth well. You will get a magical smile after this hack. I hope this video worked for you, and if it did, let me know in the comments section about it. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and tinkle on the bell icon. I will talk to you all in the coming video soon. Till then, take care of your skin by using these hacks. Goodbye.